I'm a chicken. I stopped because of the pain. So much pain. But I promise you, if you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, I will post the full tattoo. The full tattoo. Yes, it's not finished. Anyway, let's move to takecatches.com, where it's under construction. Yeah, I apologize. We're building something crazy and new, and I will post for you when it's done. Something crazy and new. Alright, let's move to the Xbox 2020. The new Xbox will be launched. It's called the Project Scarlett. It will be available, no dates for now, but most probably on 2020, the holiday 2020, which means November, December of next year. But the specs, this is the most amazing. The specs of the new Xbox is crazy. Let's see. First is the price. We don't know, but it will be around $400, $500, which logic. So the release date, as I told you, is on holiday 2020. The processor, custom AMD Zen 2. They are building a processor with AMD company, a custom one just made for gaming, like high quality gaming, high performance gaming. Can you imagine? As you know, AMD are launching amazing processor, and now they're custom made for Xbox for gaming. Can you imagine what is upcoming? And they have more 1 year to really concentrate on the Xbox. I think this is something we have to unbox with my brother. Gaming. Anyway, next is the RAM, DDR6. The storage, it's a custom SSD. What it means? I think it means that the loading it will be gone. You don't have to load for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Well, it depends on what you're gaming on. But now with the custom SSD, fast saving, fast loading, so everything will be so fast. Ray tracing, yes, and the maximum resolution is 8K. Crazy. And maximum frame rate is 120 frames per second. I can imagine the upcoming gaming with 120 frames per second with 8K SSD AMD. Whoa. First is the 16-inch launch. Okay, so now they have 13, stopped 15, launched the 16-inch laptop with amazing performance. So first thing I want to say is about the keyboard. I invite you to go to iFixit on the YouTube, where I will post the link in the description, where they say the keyboard is exactly as the same as the before version of 2015. Alright, so the new MacBook Pro features a stunning 16-inch Retina display, the largest Retina display ever in a Mac notebook. It produces 500 nits of brightness. It is like 500 nits of brightness. Don't forget, we're talking about starter price $2,000 and more dollars. Let's see this article where you can see it on notebookcheck.net, where they compare HP EliteBook, Lenovo ThinkPad X1, Samsung Notebook 9, Apple MacBook Pro 15 of 2017, and the Porsche Design Book 1. Alright, if you can see right here in the brightness, this is the nits of each laptop. I will move it down. As you can see, the HP Elite is 673, then the ThinkPad is 562, then 558 for the Notebook 9 of Samsung, and the Apple MacBook Pro 2017 is 502, sorry. So yeah, it's only beating the Porsche Design Book 1, so you don't have to put this. Again, put something you're proud of. So of course the graphics, the memory RAM, DDR4 up to 64, etc. It's a stunning new laptop with a 16-inch, with more display on the display for all kind of editing, video editing, graphics. Every work you want to do on the 16-inch is amazing. It's not too big, not too small. It's perfect 16-inch. But now, if you want to buy it to the extreme performance of this laptop, do you know how much you will pay? I need you to sit down, subscribe to our YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, because this is really crazy. So let's choose 16-inch. Of course, 2.3, blah blah blah. So starting price is $2,800 for the 16-inch. Let's select it. And of course we will custom it. So we will choose the 2.4 GHz 8 core Core i9 Turbo Boost up to 5 GHz plus $200, 64 DDR4 plus $800, AMD Radeon Pro 8 GB DDR6 sorry, plus $100, 8 TB of storage SSD, so it's a plus $1,200. That's so crazy. And I think that's it. So as you can see guys, down it's a $6,099. That's so no laptop $6,000. Ask only this question: would you go on a trip on a plane with a laptop of worth $6,000 and you have to move it out, put it on the X-ray outside on the bay, you know, the box, and you see $6,000 going into this amazing X-ray, and then you have to see it like goes through, wait for the security to tell you come, and you see people like taking their luggage, and you see the risk that this amazing laptop $6,000, maybe someone will take it and live. Okay, it will not happen, but you will think about it, because it always happened to me. Yeah, it's tough, $6,000, don't you think? I think so. Let me know what you think about this amazing laptop worth $6,000.99. That's amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on Friday, of course, and soon an amazing unboxing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter for the most amazing news. Thank you and see you